everybody, it's Mrs. Hill. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're back. Today we have another easy recipe. The difference with the recipe today is that I've never tried it before. So it's a Mediterranean chicken recipe, and we try to eat low carb when we can, especially my husband and older son, if you saw the past video, who are both, one is pre-diabetic and my husband is diabetic. And so we try to eat low carb / keto when we can, and then make adjustments for the rest of the kids. So I saw this chicken recipe. I love Mediterranean food. Again, you can add rice or veggies for the rest of the family. We will be grilling like tomatoes and onion to go with the chicken because that just screams Mediterranean to me. So again, super easy, and I hope that we all love it. Let's find out. So you're just gonna need a baggie, some lemon juice, olive oil, fresh parsley, I'm gonna use dried, oregano, paprika, and salt and pepper. And did I say minced garlic? Minced garlic. Or you can use a garlic clove. If you do, you can do like 2 to 3 cloves all chopped up in there. So we're just gonna put everything into the bag, and then we'll stick in our chicken and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. So let's put it together. I'm so hopeful. Sorry. If you haven't tried zero sugar root beer, it is so good. It tastes like the real thing, and you can add it with sugar-free vanilla ice cream for a root beer float. That can be your dessert. All right, let's flip this camera around.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the line's fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Hey, what's it out? She's trying to eat my food. She's trying to eat some food.
Yummy grapes.
She's trying to eat some food. Go away. Guys, she's trying to talk now. Don't wait.
Thank you.
Laura, you want me to take the brown stuff off? It's just the white.
I love the brown stuff.
Yeah, it gives it more juice. It just has a salty taste to it.
I know. That's all.
Hot.
How is it?
May I have some chicken, please?
I have chicken.
Yes, please.
Chicken.
Yeah, I'll
Just under the table trying to get some food.
Say no chicken for you, Duke.
Actually,
Where
is
is
onion.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Green onion.
This is an onion?
Green onion.
Hey,
How is it so skinny? Go, get out of there.
Dude.
How is it so skinny, though?
It's a green onion.
So what is your verdict?
Fun Food Friday.
Marinate it for at least a day. The flavor is good.
Have a drink.
All right, everybody, we're wrapping up our video. The chicken was really good. I definitely recommend making it. If you have time, let it marinate a little bit longer. But overall, really, really good. We'll definitely make it again, and all the grilled veggies. What did you guys think?
Good.
Best.
Good? All right, ready? And what did you like, Eddie?
Green onion.
The green onion was his favorite. Okay, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.